everyone, and welcome back to Speak Flow English. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Daniel. We're happy to have you with us today.
Today's topic is something very simple, but also very important. Daily routine in life.
Yes, because every day has a routine, even if it looks different from person to person.
Some people wake up early.
Some people wake up late.
Some people go to work.
Some people go to school.
But everyone has a daily routine.
Exactly. And in this episode, we'll help you talk about your routine in natural English.
So let's begin with the morning.
Morning is the first part of the day.
Most people start their day by waking up.
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
That's a good time.
What about you, Sophia?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, but I like quiet mornings.
What do you do after waking up?
First, I get out of bed.
Then?
Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Very good. I do the same thing.
After that, I take a shower.
And then you get dressed.
Exactly.
I also comb my hair and get ready for the day.
That's a very normal morning routine.
Yes. After that, I go to the kitchen.
Why do you go there?
Because I want breakfast.
Of course, breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit.
That sounds healthy.
Sometimes I drink coffee.
I usually drink tea in the morning.
Nice. A warm drink helps start the day.
After breakfast, I prepare for my day.
What do you do?
I check my phone, read my messages, and look at my schedule.
That's smart.
It helps me stay organized.
Me too. I like to make a small plan for the day.
Planning is a great habit.
Yes, it makes life easier.
Then I leave the house.
Do you go to work?
Yes, I go to work.
How do you go there?
Sometimes I drive.
Sometimes I take the bus.
And sometimes I walk if the place is near.
Walking is good exercise.
It really is.
Students also have a routine.
Yes, they wake up, get ready, and go to school or university.
They attend classes and learn new things.
That's right.
Now let's move to the afternoon.
The afternoon usually starts after lunch.
I have lunch around 12:30 or 1 p.m.
What do you usually eat?
I often eat rice, chicken, or a sandwich.
That sounds good.
Sometimes I eat at work.
Sometimes I eat at home.
Yes, after lunch, I take a short break.
A short break is helpful.
It gives me more energy.
Then you continue working?
Yes, I answer emails, finish tasks, and attend meetings.
That sounds busy.
It is, but that's life.
Do you ever feel tired in the afternoon?
Yes, sometimes I do.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I drink water, stretch my body, or take a short walk.
That helps a lot.
It really does.
Afternoon is also a good time for study.
Yes, many students study, do homework, or practice English.
That is very useful.
Learning in the afternoon can be effective.
Absolutely.
Now let's talk about the evening.
Evening is my favorite part of the day
Why?
because I can relax after a busy day.
Same here.
When I come home, I put my bag down and sit for a moment.
That feels nice.
Then I change my clothes and rest.
I also like to relax in the evening.
What do you do to relax?
I sometimes watch TV, listen to music, or read a book.
I like reading too.
That's a great habit.
Sometimes I talk with my family.
Family time is important.
Yes, it is special.
Some people cook dinner at home.
Others order food.
It depends on the day.
What do you usually eat for dinner?
Usually something light, like soup, rice, or vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
After dinner, I clean the kitchen.
That's responsible.
Then I prepare for tomorrow.
How do you do that?
I make a to-do list, check my bag, and set an alarm.
That's a smart routine.
It helps me feel ready for the next day.
I also like to prepare my clothes before bed.
That saves time in the morning.
Exactly.
Before sleeping, I brush my teeth again.
Very important.
Then I wash my face, put on pajamas, and go to bed.
What time do you usually sleep?
Around 10:30 or 11 p.m.
That's a healthy bedtime.
Yes, sleep is very important.
I agree.
Good sleep gives us energy for the next day.
Now let's practice some simple sentences.
Great idea.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I have breakfast.
I go to work.
I eat lunch.
I take a break.
I come home in the evening.
I relax after work.
I eat dinner with my family.
I go to bed at night.
Very good.
Now let's do a quick conversation practice.
Okay.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I work and eat lunch.
What do you do in the evening?
I go home, relax, and eat dinner.
What do you do before bed?
I prepare for tomorrow and go to sleep.
Excellent.
Daily routine is a very useful topic in English.
Yes, because we talk about it every day.
And the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
So keep using these phrases.
Keep speaking every day.
Keep learning with us.
And keep improving your English step by step.
Thank you for listening to Speak Flow English.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
See you in the next one.
Bye for now.